Yeah, it sounds good. It doesn't sound like a six-cylinder. I've been following, the Defender series for many years, and I had a hard time finding a company that can restore a Defender until I found Arkonik. But the Defender has always been one of my off-road vehicle that I wanted to add to the collection. It came out very nice. The finish, the fit, everything was good. Holy smoke! I forget how nice that those seats look, you know? What I like about this, what Arkonik did, is the interior. I love the interior that they put, the leather interior, the sport seats. They've done a total fantastic job. I do have several other sports cars, Porsches and Ferraris, but after driving this Defender, I think I'm gonna probably drive it more than the Ferraris and the Porsches. I also wanted an Arkonik Defender 90 that was totally different from what other Defender 90s out there, so I had to pick a very unique bespoke color. And we went with British Racing Green, and it came out fabulous, stunning. Man, I like it, love it.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's drive it.
Let's go for a spin. Fantastic.